know what a telephone cup is? If not, let me show you what it is. Okay, so these are cups right here. Let's just take 2 cups out of the packaging, right? Okay. Okay, so we need 2 cups. 1, 2. All right, we have 2 cups right there. Now, a telephone cup works on vibration. Vibration goes from one cup to the other, which allows you to hear the sound that's coming from the other cup. Okay, let's make one. Okay, so we have our 2 cups here. We need a hole in each for the string that's going to go from one cup to the other. All right, just like that. And now we have a cup telephone. Hello, hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? All right, in order to prove that it works, we'll do this. We'll put the mic inside the cup, right? Okay, are you ready? Can you hear me? All right, okay, so basically, I'm thinking of making basically a cumulative speaker that uses cups. Yes, okay, can you hear me? Roger that, all right. Okay, so basically, yeah, this is how it will work. Okay, so I guess you get the theory. You don't want me keep on clicking. It must be pretty noisy, right? Okay? Alright, I'm not going to be using cups. I'm going to be using, what's it? Tin cans. With the cans, instead of using string, I'm going to use bass guitar strings instead. So the cup speakers have been built, but we need a sound baseline. What better thing to use than a Bluetooth speaker? Okay, so this Bluetooth speaker is going to be our sound baseline, and we're going to compare this speaker to the other cup speakers to see if a cup speaker has potential of replacing an ordinary Bluetooth speaker. Okay, so let me play the song. So I chose the song because it has high and low, which is perfect. Okay, so let's start it off. Okay, maximum volume, go. think, all right, that's our baseline right there. Okay, so now we're going to start off with the first cup speaker. I'm going to start it off with the smallest, this one right here. So this one actually has one of the speakers that's in this Bluetooth speaker. So one of the speakers that are in this is in here. So we're going to compare to see if it's good or bad. All right, so let's test it out. So the first step is switching on the amplifier. All right, connect the battery right here. Boom, it's on. Just like that. Pause it, switch on Bluetooth. Nope. There, it's on Bluetooth. Okay.
Bluetooth connected.
All right. Let's increase the volume. That's max volume right there. All right. Okay, so let's start the song from fresh again. All right. Okay, this is what it sounds like. All right, let's put the mic. Next one. All of them close to the string. Oh, all right, so that's the first speaker. Pause that. Okay, so from what I see right now, it's actually way softer than the baseline Bluetooth speaker. That's because basically there's not a lot of air going to the speaker. So basically you could say it's like an airtight seal, but not completely sealed because the strings also have there's a bit of leakage by the strings themselves. But if I had to play the speaker by itself, it would be way louder than right now. Okay, so let's go to the big cup speaker. Okay? All right, so first step, take this. All right, we need to disconnect this one right here. There we go. It's disconnected, and then we can take this. Okay, now we get to use the biggest one of them all, this one right here. It is massive, massive. And the strings themselves, they can make sounds. All right. So we need to put, before we test it, we need to put the amplifier inside the box. Okay, so in the box, there's a subwoofer. There we go. Okay, so inside this box, there's a subwoofer, right? Okay, so then we just connect amplifier, right? Positive there, negative. All right, need to fix the wires just a little bit. There we go, fixed. And then we put it into the negative. There we go, it's in. Okay, so it's connected. Now we can put everything in the box like that. Okay. Just like that. And then we can seal it back up. There we go. Flip. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's sealed up. Okay, there we go. Now we can test it out. All right. Okay, so we'll put it all the way back there, and then let me zoom it out. There we go, it's zoomed out, so let's test it out. I'm pressing play on the song. There we go. It's very soft. Okay, so let's hear what the speakers themselves, the cans can hear. All right, so we first start with the cup speaker. Okay, then we go to the lowest string. The next string. The third string. Highest string. So this is the highest string, and then this is the third string right here. Okay, then we go to the bass itself. Alright. Yeah, so that's what it sounds like. Alright, so basically that subwoofer is very soft, but it's because it's in like a box. It can't maximize the sound, but there is sound leaking out. Okay, so the best thing is I'm thinking of using a Bluetooth speaker, another one that's super loud. This one right here. Okay, so I'll switch it on and connect it. Okay. Let's just disconnect these things. Okay, so do like that. Open the box. All right, then we disconnect the battery. Okay, there we go. We don't need, I need this right here, so we'll take this thing apart. There's the subwoofer right here. Don't need, try to remove that. Okay, so there we go, everything's disconnected like that. There we go. Then we just switch on the Bluetooth speaker. Okay, it's connected. All right, it's connected. There's the Bluetooth speaker right here, and then we'll put it in the box. All right, here we go. Here we go. Okay, so, yep, done. Now we just lift that up like that, and let's test it out. Put it like that. Boom. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, so that's all. Let's go right here. Okay, so watch what's going to happen when I open the box, how loud it's going to be. See, it's way louder. Okay, so as you can see, I'm trying my best to maximize that all sound goes to whatever is connected to this box right here. All right, as you can see, that concludes the experiment. I don't know which cup speaker you like, but hopefully you can like or subscribe. You can consider liking or subscribing. All right, so there's it right here. Here we go. And there's the big one, just like that. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video. Right? You guys used to play a lot together, and then you replace him. So he chose a different career, but let's just sing him a goodbye song to show him how much he's missed.